Today I show you how to change the notification sound for messages on Telegram. If you use the Telegram app, for apps in general, you have a few settings in the settings app and some settings you might have on the app itself here. In the settings app, to get to the Telegram settings, specific settings, you open the settings app and then scroll all the way down to apps. And here I can type Telegram just so I get quickly, so I don't have to go scroll through too many apps. Here you can set the access of what this app can do, allow microphone or location or anything that you might want, and also notification, and you can enable or disable the sound. You can also disable notifications completely. This is outside of the app, and the app itself cannot control that. But you can also have settings in the app where I can change the actual sound when you get a message inside the app there. So I'll show you right now. Open the Telegram app. On the main screen, you will have your username and your phone number there. What we're interested in here is the notifications and sound settings. And here you can change settings for private chats, group chats, channels, stories, lots of options here. You can also disable the in-app sound. So if you're already with the app opened and you receive a message, it doesn't need to give you the notification, so there is no extra noises. And also disable the in-app vibrate. I like to keep these options disabled like that. And for private chats, for example, I can go and I can show the notifications and also the show the message preview. Also show the message preview, and this is the setting for sound. So I already have it changed. These are the options you have. But you can also add a custom tone if that's what you wanted. You can select a voice note or MP3 file in any chat and select save to notifications. It will appear there. It will show save to notifications, or you can just upload the notification, but it should be enough here. You can disable the tones. Yeah, that's the note. That's the usual the iPhone note. You can use some of the classic tones, 3-tone. Yeah, I'll keep this one, but you can choose, then press done, and the setting is changed. You can customize the notification sound on Telegram the same way I showed you for private chats, for the same way it works for groups, channels, and stories. It's really simple. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.